Ever wondered how people link items from raids? How about when someone tells you what materials are needed for a specific enchant, even though they're not an enchanter? Maybe it's long time, deeply rooted knowledge, but who needs all that when you have Atlas Loot? Here's how to use Atlas Loot to enhance your quality of life. First, let's find Atlas Loot in-game. Mine is located in my mini-map button. Nice name, right? If you left click, you will open Atlas Loot. If you middle click, you will open Atlas Loot where you last left off. Shift left click opens all the options so you can toggle what you want to see. Right click to open up favorites. To keep things simple, we'll cover what it's primarily used for: finding loot and recipes. Left click to open Atlas Loot. Depending on what iteration you're playing, you can change to older expansions by left clicking the WoW icon at the top middle. TBC is around the corner, so let's go there. From here, in the top left corner, we can select what category we are looking for. Under Dungeons and Raids, you'll see loot drops. Under Collections, you'll see tier sets, vendors that sell items for badges, world epics, mounts, and more. Under Crafting, you will find all the professions showcasing all the patterns, recipes, and materials to craft any item in the game. Under Factions, you will find all the different reputations you have to endlessly farm and can find out what items each faction will reward you at different levels of reputation. Lastly, under the PvP tab, you will see honor and arena vendors, as well as any world events that might be relevant to PvP. Most people will use it to see what loot drops from what dungeon, but crafting is a close second. Once you have picked what category you want, it's time to go to the right side and find a subcategory. One of my favorite tabs to look at is enchanting. You'll see the name of the enchant, the skill level required to make it, and how many times you can craft the recipe before you no longer gain skill levels from it. If you left click any item, a drop down box will appear, showing you all the materials required to make the enchant. All of the information is at the edge of your fingertips. All you have to do is navigate and use it. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It really does mean a lot to me.